That design is not just a line, curves, and graphical identity. It is a strategic thought to connect with the audience and create a strong perception about the Tata brand. To make Tata cars distinguishable, the Humanity line has been introduced in the front that underlines the grille and headlamps together. Coming to the side are the diamond-shaped yellow which can be seen in every model. Rear is distinguished by a line emerging from the logo, wrapping around the body, giving it a certain character, which is also known as the slingshot line. In the end are the tri-arrow pattern which can be seen on the bumpers, tail lamps and interiors as well. Interiors too have a human line that divides interactive button spaces and an output area that encompasses infotainment screen. For the eye of designer, the design elements are true to its philosophy and backed up with equally genius marketing. True genius lies in brand indulging in design that has made a huge difference in sales. It shows the power of design to create desirability. Tata Group are masters of lean operations and tactical business optimization. When JLR was acquired, it did not buy the engineering capabilities but also the design legacy with it. Tata Motors have saved some resources by not having to develop a new vehicle ground up. The Omega architecture from JLR has helped them launch the Harrier smoothly. Now, as we all know, current lineup generally consists of SUVs and hatchbacks. The reason behind picking up an SUV over a sedan is the constantly increasing demand of the sports utility vehicle. And especially with growing economy like India, people with tight budgets and aspiration for SUVs, that's where the segments like micro SUVs and compact SUVs shine. Tata Motors has rightfully straddled its position from value makers to premium creators. Now, talking about the brand as a whole, has the new design language created an impact culturally? Perhaps the answer is yes, but to keep the brand timeless, they have to become a leader and an influencer. It means to go beyond the obvious. The mark of a great brand comes from attention to detail, creating a benchmark, and truly making it delightful. We can expect from Tata to take its design from humble graphical connect to emotional connect. With the rise of Chinese brands who have created an impactful products to even mock their European rivals in their own market, we have to learn something from their playbook, which is never settled. So Tata Motors have set the expectations of the Indian customers right, but we have to ask for more and more. In conclusion, Tata Motors is still figuring out stuff. They're coming up with new design updates as we see very briskly. New versions like Impact 1.0, 2.0 and 3.0, they're trying to educate the new audience about the design sense. But the philosophy can be a bit deep. After years of hard work, Tata can now spread its wings and venture.